welcome to our channel. We're here with a Tinkering Labs electric motors catalyst, and this is by tinkeringlabs.com. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. There's also this card that says a gift to you, 2 tinkering speed ups. Whether you're using the electric motors catalyst at home or at school, we want you to start inventing as quickly as possible, and that's why we've given you 2 gifts in your box. So they've given us batteries and they've given us motor casings. Very nice. We go through everything that's in the kit. First we have safety glasses, and then electric motors and their wires. Then we have a battery pack, and that's where the 2 AA batteries go. Then we have bushings, and we have screws and wing nuts and springs and L brackets and rubber bands. Okay, and then we have the chassis, and we have a whole bunch of wheels, it says, and that's these. And then we have the wooden connectors, which are these, and then we have hardware tin, which is this, and we have axles, which are in with rubber bands. And then we have a giant piece of paper. Okay. And we have challenge cards. They're right there. And we have 3 washable markers. 3 washable markers. We have a screwdriver. And we have a storage bag. And of course we have our booklet, and these are our challenge cards.
Yep.
So they say things like create a vehicle with a suspension system, build something that can launch a wheel across the room, invent a robot that moves without wheels, make a machine that can scramble an egg, build a creature with spinning arms, create something that moves in a straight line, make a ride for one of your toys, build a machine that draws curvy lines, invent a tool that can cut a piece of paper, create something that can make a loud noise. So in the booklet you have building techniques and examples to get you started. Help with challenge number 3. And there's also videos. If you go to the website and then /videos, so it's Tinkering Labs /videos. And then there's also inventors. To see what the other kids are building, you could check out the Young Inventors section, and you can share your inventions when you tag them at Tinkering Labs. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. Can we do something quickly?
Sure. Put a bushing on here. Then that's the motor spinning. Then we could put this on here, and maybe put a big one. For the heck of it here, put a big one on, and then we can make it go around, make it move. It's probably gonna go flying. Ready? Now make it go back the other way, make it go back the other way by crossing the wires. Did they see it, hon? Did you see it?
Only a little bit.
You see it? See, if you connect the black to the black and just touch it, there's other ways of doing it make it look much better. You go that way. If you put the black to the red, which it, I mean, it's just going to reverse the direction of the motor, and it'll come back to you. Now, I don't think this is in the instructions. Okay? There's many things we can do here with this. Connect these guys. Here's the chassis. I guess we can make something with a wheel.
To attach the motor and the wheel to the chassis. I've attached the motor and a wheel to the chassis. That's the first part of challenge number 3. You see this? So that's the first step. And the second step would be to take the wires and put them down through the hole here, like that. And then flip the chassis over and attach springs and bolts. So we flip this over. Then you're going to attach the battery pack on the same side as the springs using the rubber bands. And then you're going to make the electrical connections C6 and 7. So it's like this. We're going to make the electrical connections in the springs.
Just bend the spring and put these guys in. Bend the spring and slide the connector in. So now basically now the spring is hot if you turn it on.
What do you mean by hot? Is someone going to get a
Well,
shock?
I mean, no, you can't get shocked, that's for sure, but it does have 3 volts going through it. It will have 3 volts going through it. And then they want us to get a marker, right?
I'm not sure.
You can put a marker and it will draw around the circles like a.
Well, I'm not sure. What is it? Is it? I don't think it mentions a marker yet.
Well, you can. But you can turn. You can move this out of the way here and turn it on. See, ready? If I go around a circle.
Okay.
They're saying to get a marker. I'm going to put the rubber band over the marker, put it through here, holding it down, bring it back up through here, and I'm going to put it back over. I have to connect the wires again now, but I think it'll stay in now. I'll put this wire back in here. Okay, now let's see what happens. You guys ready? This is too big of a. I think if we had a smaller one of these guys on here, it would be better. So I put it down here. I'm gonna mark up the counter a little bit, probably. Here we go. It's not
I
flat.
think it's because there's stuff under it. Yeah.
So we can check it out with different size wheels. I'll just put a larger wheel on and see what happens. Just for the heck of it.
Making smaller circles.
So it would be, I think it was perfectly flat. It would be, make better spirals.
But it's an
There's a little-
interesting kit for either the classroom or home use. Teach your kids about motors, and hopefully we'll be having a giveaway for at least one set. So that will go into the video description if we add that, so look for that. And thank you so much for watching. Put any questions in the comments. And again, this is from Tinkering Labs. And let me know your thoughts.
One of them is a 3-wheeler also. You know, put the wheel, power wheel in the middle and 2 wheels here and drive it.
Okay, so let us know what you think of this kit. And we're adding it to our holiday gift guide at Mommy Ramblings. Have a good one, guys. Bye.